Now let's come to Shark Tank. Before Shark Tank, like how did you how I won't say how, obviously if you're making a business so big then you would have this thing that you would go to Shark Tank when it's already in India. So how was the feeling before that? Preparations, tension, excitement, there would be a lot of things. So just share that.
Okay, so Shark Tank was last season also they invited us and then we shied away. I said, no, we don't want to go right now because I think we were still building our story then. And I thought that it'll be good if we just silently build it at the moment. Because last year when the season 2 happened, so that time it was for us, we are just experimenting more on the franchise model, how it's gonna scale, what we were just working on our scale actually. And of course, last 1 year has been a phenomenal growth year for us where we really scaled and all. So it's a long process because it seems like, okay, fine, you're on Shark Tank, it must have just happened. So it is a long process. So there's a huge selections, multiple phases of selection that happens. So first was this 2-hour call on the phone, which I thought 2-hour conversation of just general conversations, which next day was another 4-5 hour conversations on the phone, just general conversation. They're probably assessing you, what kind of person you are, everything on but that was the initial. And then of course they look at your company's health also, the documents, what you're saying is correct or not. Then a physical audition happens, and all of that, if you clear through all of those things, then you are called for the final shoot, what they call it. So that is also a 4-day process. And I think it's a very it was completely out of my comfort zone because it's been a while that I haven't done something like that. So it's a very investment focused program, I used to think, I used to keep hearing people, it's all scripted and all, but nothing is scripted. Literally, the sharks have no idea who's going to come into the tank. When they meet you in the tank, that is when they see you for the first time. That is when they know your companies or brand names. They don't know who's going to come. Before that is a lot of preparation going on from every angle, because obviously this is television, right? So there is investment business team who help you with what kind of questions would be asked, etc. And then there are people who are basically working on your clothes, what are you going to wear and all of those things, and the glamour angle, of course. And then there are people who are working on your how to the first 1 to 2.5 3 minute pitch you have, that it's a monologue where you're just talking, and then the question answers start, right? So they help you with that, in the sense that, because for us we are business people, right? So we would be like, well, no, people won't understand what we are saying, right? So they have to make sure that the general janta, people who are watching, also understand what you're saying, right? So that was a challenge for me, honestly, because it was a pitch that I made, then we tweaked, and finally a pitch came in, and they said, now this is what you have to speak. And honestly, Charu, I'm very bad at mugging up. Okay, you tell me something, explain me things, I can write paragraphs about that. Okay, but mugging up is not my best quality, like not at all. So I was really struggling. I said, okay, my God, if up, and when you're mugging up, one word you forget, the second word you don't remember, and all that. So I cannot do that. I'm very bad at it. So I was really struggling with that. But the morning, the final shoot was supposed to happen. The shoot is like a full shoot. There are no retakes. You enter and then you say the pitch, and then they ask you questions, and the whole thing is about 1.5 hours. But of course, post production they just show 20 minutes of the entire thing. Right. So that morning I went to the team. I said, I'm really sorry, but I can't do this. I can't mug up. Though they were also ki theek hai, jo karna hai karo. I said fine. then I was like, fine, I'm gonna be just myself, and this is how I am. I'm just gonna talk what I have to talk and not worry about what my poem says on the paper. So that's how it happened. And so it was good. And I think as business people, or as initial days, you're obviously completely out of your comfort zone, and then there are phases where your business really puts you out of your comfort zone too. So this was one of the phases, I feel, and a very challenging one, but a good one, very good experience. And so many questions, it's very difficult to explain that how those 3-4 days were, but I thoroughly enjoyed the experience, and the full shoot, etc. was fantastic.
Yeah, it was a one of a kind experience. Obviously.
Yeah, sure. So of course, as an entrepreneur, you're used to doing a lot of media, a lot of television, a lot of interviews, etc. But that's a different kind of a thing. You're obviously used to dealing with investors also, but when there are 150 cameras hovering over you, and then it's a nice one. But I liked it. I would probably redo it.
That's great. And any shark you had in mind already, like probably like I would want him or her, any shark?
So for me, I think I was eyeing at three of them: Aman, Vinita, and Anupam. All three because I feel the TG is somewhat similar for my business. It's
Okay.
direct B2C business that they've handled, and the TG is similar. Like Vinita, of course, a cosmetic brand. Anupam, Shadi.com, clothing just comes in handy. Aman, again, a D2C retail person who's handled consumer at a large scale. So, so these three people I had in mind that they would be good for the business, and luckily I got one of them.
Yes, right. You got Aman then.
And
Okay.
I think I got the most chill shark, I feel.
Yes, definitely.